Welcome to the another Apache Airflow tutorial. In this video, we will understand priority weight in Apache Airflow. In Airflow, priority weight influences the order in which queue tasks are executed when we have limited resources. The default value of priority weight for each task is 1. For any given Apache Airflow task, higher value of priority means higher priority. Like let's say if you configure some task has priority weight 1, then that task will have lower priority than the task which will have priority weight 10. Remember, the priority weight is a task level configuration, so you always need to configure this per task. Here is example. You can see we have 4 tasks and each has some priority set. Like extract task has 1 priority and the load task has 10 priority. So if you see the execution order, load task will execute first and extract task will execute last in the priority order. Key point to remember is priority weight makes sense only when multiple tasks are queued and also have a limited resource and those tasks are fighting to execute. Higher value always get executed first and default value is 1 for each task. Now we will see a live example. You can see I am in my editor. I have a very simple tag which has 2 tasks, task A and task B. Task A has priority weight 5 and task B has priority weight 10. I already have a Airflow instance running, so I'll just go directly on UI. Here we are in Airflow UI and you can see the graph view of DAG. Now since we just have a 2 tasks, so maybe you will have enough resources at the moment to run them simultaneously. I'll go and control them and set pool to 1. You can see by default 128 pool, but somehow I have changed it to 2, so I'll change it to 1 and I'll get my task and just trigger it. You can see the task has higher priority is running and task with a lower priority is scheduled. Now both are succeeded because the first task A1 is just print, so it succeeded quickly, but it started executing much later than B. Now again I'll change the pool size to 2 and execute the DAG and you can see both will start simultaneously. I'll just refresh. You can see first one has already succeeded and task B is still running because it slept for few seconds. Since now we have more resources, so priority weight was not applied. That's all I wanted to discuss. Thank you for watching the video.